Thanksgiving, everybody, and welcome to Monday Night Raw. Can you believe it, King? We are just a mere 6 days from Survivor Series.
Well, Survivor Series has been around for over 20 years, and it's given us so many great moments. But I have a feeling that this year's Survivor Series may be the best of them all.
Speaking of great moments, we've got a ton of great moments in store tonight. For example, in the main event tonight, it'll be Triple H and John Cena teaming up to take on Undertaker and Randy Orton.
But starting things off, it'll be Jack Swagger and the incomparable R-Truth.
The gentlemen are down the hall. We have work to do. There's a 500-pound monster coming this way, gentlemen, and I'm of the opinion that he doesn't make it out of this garage in one piece.
I like it. Barrett and I can handle this fella. You two see that we're left alone.
So then he says, hey, let go.
Before we get started, I wanted to let you know this is going to hurt you a lot more than it does us.
Today. So. Who's it hurting now?
Big mistake.
Can't do that to me.